Hello together. In this video I want to show you 3 different options how to make a screenshot on the POCO F4. You can make screenshots in almost any app. You can make it from the settings a screenshot, from your Play Store or from other apps. It might be that as in some apps you will get a black screen because these screenshots are not possible within this app. Perhaps in Netflix or in other movies where you have the digital rights management. But in 95% of the apps it should work without problems. So I will show you now 3 different ways to do this. The first way you can do this is to swipe with 3 fingers down. Okay, now you can see, okay, it made a screenshot, and here is a miniature and it will disappear after some seconds. I can also make this here. Okay, here is it also. Okay, so this screenshot will disappear, and we can look at the screenshot when we go to our gallery. Got it? And you can see here is my screenshot, and now I can also edit the screenshot. Okay, so I say allow, and then I can crop it and I can do all the things I want to do. Okay, so there are really a lot of possibilities, options how you can adjust your image. Okay, this is the first method. I can say now save and exit. And the second method is to press buttons, and you must press here the volume down button and the on off button, and when I press those two, the same thing appears here. So you can also use these 2 buttons simultaneously to make a screenshot. Okay, and the third way you can make a screenshot on the POCO S4 is to swipe at the right up button a little bit down, right up and down, and then you have here the button for the screenshot. So you click on it and then it will make a screenshot from the app which is open at this moment. Okay, so I'll go perhaps to here, and then I can swipe and then I make a screenshot from this one. Okay, so always all these screenshots go in your gallery, and there you can edit them and share them and do whatever you want to do. Yes, that was it. How to make screenshots 3 different ways on your POCO F4. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us next time. Bye bye.